Welcome to the TED Online Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to search for notices using the advanced search form. Select the advanced search option, below the quick search box. The form is grouped into categories. You can collapse or expand all the group categories, or a specific one. By default, the search scope is the active notices, but you can select a different one using the radio button. As a signed-in user, you can define your preferred search scope in your site preferences. You can choose between the options: current OJS issue, active notices, all notices. For every field in the search form, you can hover over the icon to view additional information. The free text follows the same syntax rules as the quick search, meaning that you are able to use wildcards, such as an asterisk, a question mark, or double quotes for exact phrases. Within each field, using the plus button, you can select several values. You can also use the filter box to limit the displayed values. Within the input fields, if your input is wrong, you will get a validation error. Additionally, as a signed-in user, you can save your search criteria and manage them through the My Dashboard page, or load a saved search to modify it in the advanced search form. You can also print the advanced search form. Finally, you can switch your advanced search query, converting it into the corresponding expert search query. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our help page and check our other video tutorials.